So बारिश बहुत ज़्यादा थी तो couldn't go out the house. It was very fast. It was heavy.
ठीक है نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله. We have done in Asma Mushtaqat. We have covered all the Asma Mushtaqat. Today we are learning the last one in this category, but this is disputed amongst ulama Sarf, that whether masdar is mushtaq or it is the one which is the asal, and all the rest of the mushtaqat are actually derived from the masdar. So some of them say actually fail is asal and masdar, and the rest of all the mushtaqats they emerged from fail. But some of the Sarfi scholars, ulama Sarf, they say actually masdar is asl and fail itself emerges from masdar. Because what does masdar mean? Masdar mean the place where something is generated, comes from and arrives. That is masdar. So definition of masdar is the ism from which other kalimat are made. Other kalimat are derived, but is not made from anything itself. For example, darbun. Darbun is masdar. Daraba is fa'il. Daribun is ism fa'il. Madrubun is ism maf'ul. But darbun is masdar. It is not made from any other kalima, but all the other kalimat, darbun, daribun, duriba, madrubun, and daraba, yadribu, they came from masdar. This has two types. Masdar has two types, simai and qiyasi. Simai and qiyasi. As you know that what does simai mean? As heard from the Arabs. No set rulings. But qiyasi, there is a rule and regulation to make that. So qiyasi, those masadir which have a specific scale, for example, ikramun barwazan if'alun. This is a specific scale. And tarjamatun, etc. These has a specific scale. Taf'alatun, tarjamatun. So therefore anything that represents this scale is masdar qiyasi. Simai, those masadir which do not have a specific scale. For example, manqabatun, mamlukatun. These do not have a specific scale, a set scale. But as they were heard from the Arabs, so we use these kalimat on this scale. Manqabatun. Although there is no specific rule or scale for the masdar of Sulasi Mujarrad, it is usually the case that the masdar of any fi'l which contains the meaning of illness comes on the scale of fu'alun. If a masdar representing a fi'l that contains the meaning of illness, bimari, then it will appear on the scale of fu'alun. For example, zukamun. Zukamun is flu. To have a cold. Zukamun. The masdar of any fi'l which contains the meaning of movement comes on the scale of fa'ilun. For example, zamilun, for a camel to walk slowly. So this represents the meaning of movement. From thulasi mujarrad, the scale fa'alatun is used for a fail to happen once, marratan. If a fail is happening once, then to represent that you will use the scale of fa'alatun. This is only for thulasi mujarrad. For example, jalsatun, to sit once. The scale fa'ilatun is used to express no, the kind, the type, no. A specific manner, type of the fail. For example, qismatun. Qismatun means to distribute in a certain manner. The scale fu'latun is used to express quantity. For example, luqmatun, to eat a small amount of food. Luqma. Fu'la. These are the different scales that are used to represent different things. Fu'alun, to represent the meaning of illness. Fa'ilun, which contains the meaning of movement. And fa'alatun, if a fail is happening once. Fa'ilatun, to express no, the type of the fail. Fa'alatun, to express quantity. Now, in the end, they would like to tell you what is masdar mimi. Masdar mimi. One masdar is also known as masdar mimi. Any masdar which begins with mim zaida. Mim zaida. What does mim zaida mean? Mim extra. Focus, please. Listen. Any masdar that has an extra meme attached to it in the start, then that masdar will be masdar mimi. Other than bab mufa'ala. You know, in bab mufa'ala there is a meme, but that meme comes in the scale. That is the actual meme. That is not extra. In bab mufa'ala, for example, muzakara, mufa'ala, mujalasa, this is not extra meme. But if it is not bab mufa'ala and meme is attached to the masdar, then that meme will be extra meme. Then this masdar will be known as masdar mimi. For example, mantiqun. This mantiqun mean to speak, and this speech, this masdar is masdar mimi, because it has the meme attached to it, and this meme is extra meme, zaida. This has 3 scales. Masdar mimi of sulasi mujarrad sahih, sulasi mujarrad sahih af'al, masdar mimi of sulasi mujarrad sahih af'al, comes on the scale of maf'alun. Maf'alun. For example, marja'un. Marja'un mean to return. Marja'un. This is from Sulasi Mujarrad, you see. Why, Ali? Why marja'un is from Sulasi Mujarrad?
Is it because it comes in the scale of muff?
Yes, maf'alun, and it has only three original letters. And why it is Sahih? We said Sulasi Mujarrad Sahih Af'al. Zafar, why is it Sahih?
वीक लेटर्स नहीं होते.
वीक लेटर कौन से थे? नो आइडिया.
नहीं, आपने क्या पूछा था?
Why it is Sahih? It is Sahih because it does not have any harf illat, it does not have hamza, and it does not have any two letters,
Same.
two same letters. Maf'alun, marja'un. This is the first scale of Masdar Mimi. The second scale of Masdar Mimi for Misal Wawi. If it is Misal Wawi, then this will Masdar Mimi of Misal Wawi comes on the scale of Maf'ilun. Maf'ilun. Remember this, Maf'ilun. For example, Mawdi'un. Mawdi'un. Mawdi'un means to place something. Mawdi'un. But it has, why is it Misal Wawi?
Because it's on the scale of maf'ul.
No, because fa kalma is wow.
Fa kalma is waw. That's right. Fa kalma is waw. Fa kalma is harf illat. Are you learning? Are you learning? Ali is playing with pen.
I lost my lid.
Leave it. Later on you can find it. But now focus, because this is very important lecture that is going on. Can you please sit on this side? Yes. So Masdar Mimi, if it is Misal Wawi, Misal Wawi is that one whose fa kalma is waw. Whose fa kalma is waw. Then it will be Misal Wawi. And Misal Yai is that whose fa kalma is ya. That will be Misal Yai. So they are saying if if an ism is Misal Wawi, then the Masdar Mimi of that Misal Wawi will be on the scale of Maf'ilun, for example, Mawdi'un. And Masdar Mimi of Ghair Sulasi Af'al comes on the scale of Ism Maf'ul. What are Ghair Sulasi Af'al? Ghair Sulasi Af'al. Today people are not present mentally. They are not learning anything. No answer. Don't know what happened. Masdar Mimi of Ghair Sulasi Af'al. Okay, let me write on this. We are learning asma'i mushtaqat. Okay? Derived nouns. Nouns. We said those nouns which were derived from masdar. Okay? We learned that after learning failure, first we learned af'al. Yeah? We started with af'al. We said fail madi. Then we learned fail mudari. Then we learned fail amr. Then nahi. Yeah? Okay? Then we learned fail mudari with lam taqeed ba noon taqeed sakila, with noon khafifa, yes, with lam, with lan, and then we moved on to asma'i mushtaqat, that there are some nouns which are derived from fail or masdar. Okay? That's what we learned. And then we said those asma are what? For example, these asma were ism fa'il. Any other name for asma mushtaqat, please? That we learned. Ism fa'il. Shabash, from your mind. What do you understand? Quickly, please.
ताजुब
Okay.
और
Fail ta'ajjub.
इसमें इशारा
इसमें मफऊल.
मफूल
इसमें इशारा. Not asma mushtaqat. इसमें
इसमें वो वाला क्या नाम है
इसमें वो
ज़र्फ ज़र्फ
इसमें ज़र्फ. Yes. मुबालगा. Yes. Yes or no? Why are you lost today? What happened?